Well, hey there. Do you need an escape from life? Well, then you need this Ford Escape.
If you love to horse around, then you need one of these Bronco Sports.
Looking for something affordable? You better hurry and chase this Escape before it escapes the parking lot. No!
Maybe you want to be the main attraction at every event this summer. You need a Bronco Sport.
We filled our showroom with nothing but Bronco Sports and Escapes, with payments under $200 bi-weekly, and this sale runs till this Saturday only.
And you get to pick your prize.
Like $500 off a 2-year maintenance package.
Or choose a $500 WestJet Vacation Voucher to get the heck out of town.
Or customize your ride with a $500 accessory credit.
Unless you just want 500 bucks in your jeans.
And last but not least, we won't let any rival price escape our grasp. That's our guarantee. Because anything can happen at Advantage Ford.